I love video games and I've always wanted to create one, so I did. This is how I went from zero to a working version of Asteroidz without my computer exploding. Well, mostly. Step 1. You need a window to draw all of your game graphics to and to be able to play sounds and load textures. So building stuff like that from scratch is just headache. So instead of that, I decided to use Python and Pygame. Pygame is a Python library that deals with all of the low-level stuff for us, so we can focus on building our game. So yeah, let's go. After installing Pygame, the next thing I did was I created a window to draw everything to. I got my player ship on the screen and it just sat there judging me. So movement was next. My first idea, a basic left, down, up, right.
Bruh.
But that is wrong. In space, you have momentum. You don't just stop. So I scrapped it. I had to add acceleration and let the ship's rotation steer the drift. This was the first moment my code started to feel like a real game. Next, asteroids. I got them spawning randomly. A little too randomly. I forgot the spawn limit. My PC was crying. I had to add a cap and make sure they despawned when they left the screen. Now for the fun part, shooting. I coded it so pressing space spawns a bullet at the ship's tip and it flies until it hits something or leaves the screen. Finally, I could fight back. For polish, I added a score, a game over screen, and the classical big asteroids break into smaller ones. And just like that, I had a working game. So there you go, my first game. I've been procrastinating on this video for 4 months and I'm just hitting upload before I overthink it again. The next one will be better, I promise. So if you want to see that, subscribe. But for now, I'm just happy I finally shipped something. Thank you for watching.